Hey everyone, today I'll be doing a DVD menu walkthrough from Thomas & Friends, Thomas and the Jet Engine, so please enjoy. Here's Play All Stories, the episode menu, Thomas and the Jet Engine, Percy's Chocolate Crunch, No Sleep for Cranky, Harvey to the Rescue, A Bad Day for Harold the Helicopter, Elizabeth the Vintage Lorry, Jack Jumps In, A Friend in Need, and The World's Strongest Engine. Here is my song menu. The Thomas Anthem, Don't Judge a Book by Its Cover, and Rockin' on the Railway. Here are the subtitles. Here is where you can turn the subtitles on or off. And to reduce playing, press Resume Play. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.